Welcome all to the second session of Entrepreneurial Skills. We understood in the previous session that who can become an entrepreneur, and to become successful, you should have the necessary entrepreneurial skills. So, which is a combination of communication skill, technical skills, leadership skills, and also critical thinking skills. We also learned the different types of business ownership, and today's lesson is about the type of businesses. There are four major types, which are service business, merchandising business, manufacturing business, and hybrid business. Let us try to understand one by one all of them in brief. The first one, which is service type. Okay. Now, this type of businesses, they provide intangible products. Okay, intangible products means what? Something which we cannot see in the physical form. Okay, so which categories comes under this one? Like professional skills, consultancy, expertise, advice. So if I want to give you example, I can give you the example of school, then consultancy firms, banks, salons, law firms, accountancy firms. All these things, since they are dealing or providing intangible products which do not have a physical form, we can categorize them as which type of business? As service business. Wonderful. Let us go to the next one now, merchandising business. Now, what is the job of this merchandising business and which comes under this category? The business which buys products at wholesale price but sells at a retail price. So that type of business comes under merchandising business. So how do they make their profit? They make their profit by selling the product at a little bit higher price to the customer than their purchasing cost. And they do not change the way the product is bought and it is sold. Whichever product they are going to buy, in whichever format or form, they are going to sell it in the same form. They're not going to change its form. So who are the examples of which businesses comes under this? Like grocery store. So grocery store, whatever products they have, they're going to sell it in the same way. It may be a finished product, it may be a raw material, it can be anything. Just like that, they're going to sell it. So it's just a place to sell all these things, and they make their profit how? By increasing the cost price and increasing the money and then selling at a higher price. Convenience stores, distributors, and other resellers. Now, coming to the third and fourth type now, which is manufacturing business. So as the name suggests, manufacturing means what? Doing something new or making something new. So what do? They buy material to use it as a raw material to make it as a new product. They have a raw material, labor, factory, and other related units because they have to do some processing over here. And the finished products are sold to the customers. That is why it is called as a manufacturing business. Let us say we can take the example of car manufacturers. We use the term car manufacturing because they take so many raw materials, they assemble it, they make a new product out of it. Coming to the fourth one, hybrid business. As the name suggests, hybrid means what? It is a combination of different types of businesses. They may be classified in more than one type. Let us take the example of restaurant. Here, it has got three types of business: manufacturing, merchandising, and service type business. Why? Manufacturing means what? They buy the raw material and they make it as a new good. They buy all the ingredients, make a new dish and sell. That is why it is manufacturing. Merchandising means what? Ready-made products are already there. So I say, suppose ice cream is there, chocolates they're selling. They're selling some juice, which is already made. It is already ready. They just sell it to the customers. Service type because they cater to the likes and dislikes of the customers. They give some kind of, service to the customers. So that is why it is coming under the hybrid category. So they are classified according to their major business interests. So if they are classified according to the major business interest, so restaurants come under which category? More of service type because they are dealing with intangible product form. They're giving good service to the customers, making them feel comfortable, providing the food which the customers like. So that is why we can categorize restaurants as more a service type, but actually it is coming under hybrid because it involves manufacturing, merchandising, and service type. So in this video session, we thoroughly understood which are the 4 different types of businesses. And coming up in the next session, we are going to deal with the business activities, which is really very interesting. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, and take care. Bye-bye.